So it's currently 3 minutes past 4, as you can see. And I'm in the city of Dubai. I know most of you guys haven't seen me for a while. I traveled to Dubai so that I can do my trading from here, because you see, trading you can do it in any part of the world. So today is Wednesday and I closed off my trading day, obviously. So you can see I've already made $800 on this account. As you can see, that is my FBS account. As you can see, I'm using FBS4. I've already closed off $800 profit, and then also I've made on this other account another trade. So today I've got 2 trades. This one I've made over almost $300. As you can see, take profit, full take profit hit, and I sent this also in my free group. Everyone made money today. I sent everyone the signal. Sharing is caring, right, babe? So you can see I sent this signal. I'm not someone who trades every single time, but when I trade, we make money. See, that is the trade right here. I told people to sell, and I'm going to tell you why we sold and made some money, guys. So trick to learning how to trade is very simple. Understand risk management and you make money. So let me jump onto my computer. I want to show you something very, very quick on how you can make money. Like, let me take you through this very quick. And also this is where I'm staying with my lovely girlfriend. I won't show you obviously, but this is where I'm staying. It's a nice apartment. Now, this is gold here. You can literally see, guys, this is our gold pair, and you can see gold has been moving properly. Now, today's sell trade came from this zone right here. Now, most of you guys, when you see price consolidating like this, you need to understand one thing. It's always going to come down to the downside. So traders, every day, the first thing I do is I always come to my daily time frame. So I'm going to choose another chart. How we trade every day is come to the daily time frame and mark out the previous highs and lows of the previous days. So when I zoom in like this, you see this green candle was the previous day from yesterday, which was Tuesday. Now what we're going to do is mark out its previous high and low, just like that, as you can see. Now we have marked out the previous high and low. So the previous high being the resistance and this being the support. Now we zoom into the smaller time frame to just look out for price action. Price action is just to see what price is just going to do, like in the short run. So we zoom into the 1 hour and then see. So this is what we have been having since morning. Price has been consolidating. Actually, this was from Monday. Price has been consolidating from this part right here, as you can see. Now, in between here, we can always have like better trades that we can catch in. So you have to zoom into the smaller time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, for you to see the price action in there. So the price action we had today is here. So we currently had price rotating at this zone right here, as you can see. When you draw out like a trend line, you can literally see. So anywhere you can draw trend lines is like just have points that you can mark out, like this zone to this zone to this zone and to this zone. You can see. Now we had price break and then retest this trend line. And not just that, so I first caught my first trade off this part right here. This was my first trade I caught off that. So again, if I'm to explain this trade for you guys, it's an easy one. Price literally just bounced off this zone right here. So this is a strong support right here, since it was a resistance and price broke it here. Now when price comes back here, tap onto this zone, what you expect, price will definitely just bounce off and then go back up. So I took this trade putting my stop loss exactly at this point and then targeting for this as my take profit. But this line right here is our previous high from yesterday. Now this is where our trade was coming in today. So I wanted price to close below this zone right here, as you can see. So I wanted price to just come back and close below. If price had broken this line, I was going to take buy trades and close from above, but price just tapped in there and then came back and closed from this. Now this zone right here is this zone that caused this impulsive to the downside. Now meaning if price comes back here, this is going to act as a supply zone. That's why you see when price closed below here, it started dropping massively, as you can see. So this was a very, very simple trade to catch. Again, I'll explain again. This high right here, price failed to break it. It came back and closed. It just tapped in there and then came back and closed below this zone. Now I just needed more confirmation that price is now going to drop. Then we took our trade on this last, actually this was the green candle. Then we put our stop loss above here. You can even see price almost went and half of our stop loss, but our stop loss wasn't hit and price came back and dropped like water, you can see. So put our take profit down here and everything was just history, man. You can see. Again, this is simple price action. You can literally see when I zoom out that price had to come and sweep all this, sweep, as you can see. Now when we go back onto our chart right here, you can literally see the clear everything, as you can see, very clear. The first trade we caught it here, as you can see, this was the first trade, and then after price sweeping up here, comes back in, yes, closes below, then we take our trade. We took our trade and then target was hit. One thing about me is when I'm trading, most times my analysis just aligns with the fundamental analysis. Sometimes I don't need to make the fundamental analysis, I just make technical analysis. You understand? And everything just aligns itself, guys. As you can see, this was a very nice trade again. Nothing complicated, nothing, literally. And before I go further, the broker that I'm using is FBS. Guys, FBS is one of the best brokers. I've been here in the game for quite some time. If you're setting up to trade in the markets and you don't have like really much money, you can start to trade with even as less as $5 with FBS. All you just have to do is open an account with them. They have a daily analytics, trading community, instant withdrawals, and they're audited by the FSC. Trading commission is zero. They have leverage up to 3,000. So most of you guys, when you want to expose your accounts to more risk, you can always go in for the 3,000 leverage. But just be careful, because leverage is a double-edged sword. As much as it can give you money, it can also take money from you. Then execution from 0.01 second, and then deposit minimum. You can start from $5. Then spreads 0.7 pips, as you can see. Then you can also learn from FBS. FBS, they offer trading for beginners, the tutorials for you to learn from, then also the advanced courses, and this is all free of charge. You can always come up here. So over 700 partners, as you can see, commission paid monthly $1.5 million, as you can see. You can trade on MT5 or MT4 if you're using FBS. So you can get this app on Google Play and also the Apple Play Store. As you can see, trading currencies, we have gold. We actually have so many currency pairs, metals, energies, and indices or stocks, as you can see. So if you want to get FBS, just check the link below this video and sign up with your FBS for an FBS account, so you can get started trading in the forex market. Now, this was a very easy trade, traders. Very easy trade, just pure price action, waiting for price to come to your zones. My zones were these two zones. The first zone was this one right here, so I went in for buys to the upper side, which is what you see right here. So these were the buys that I caught at first. As you can see, these were the first buys we caught in the morning. As you can see, this is again a real account, nothing like bluffing. And then the other last trades that we caught, the sell trades, were this one right here. As you can see, this right here again. This is also a real account, as you can see. So that is how we caught our trade, risking only 20 pips and targeting 80 pips. You can literally see risk is always very, very small. And before I go any further, guys, traders, you need to understand one thing. If you're trading in the forex market, risk is something you need to understand. If you want to make money from the markets, understand risk. The earlier you understand risk, the better. Risk small, but risking very small needs you to have a very good strategy. You shouldn't have a strategy where you're jumping on every trade that you see. You want to jump on it, you're going to be taken out. So good trades happen in the morning, evening, but let price come to your zones and take the trades. Don't be afraid. As long as you define your risk first before you define your take profits and everything, you'll be good to go. So we're done for the day, and I'm here enjoying the beautiful Dubai. Let me show you guys. As you can see, I'm in Dubai. You can see I'm in Dubai right now. I'm going to have now I'm going to work out and maybe withdraw some money and then go do some shopping, guys. I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to get your FBS accounts. Peace.